You think we'll get a strategic Bitcoin reserve? You think that's
I,
a
I
thing? Or is
do,
that just...
actually.
What does that look like, do
I
you
do.
think?
They've got the votes. Haggerty wants it. McCormick wants it.
They have the
But
votes in the Senate, do you think?
I think so. Yeah, there's 53.
Really?
I do think so.
For
Yes.
like
Yeah.
to her bill to get 1,000,000 Bitcoin, right? That was her full bill,
Yeah.
right?
Well,
To keep the 200,000, then
this stuff gets horse traded. So you'll probably have 200 won't get sold. They'll probably buy another 400,000 or 500,000 Bitcoin
what?
over the next. Oh, you
You
don't
think
think that's
this
going
is
to happen?
real?
But
Senator talk
let me
about
tell
it.
you why I think it will happen. Okay, Trump wants it to happen, and he's got the Senate Banking Committee. Tim Scott wants it to happen. He's going to be the chair of the Senate Banking Committee. Bessent wants it to happen. If you're telling me there are no Democrats, and I don't believe this because a lot of Democrats voted for the Saab 121 bill. If you looked at the dispersion of vote, it was a bipartisan approval of that bill. And by the way, Ryan, it was if you were 40 or 50, let's say you were below the age of 60, you voted for the bill if you were a Democrat. If you were a fossil like Elizabeth Warren or Sherrod Brown, you voted against it. So if you're telling me there are no Democrats that are going to vote for that, then I'll say, okay, then we're not going to get it. But I don't see that. I think Ro Khanna would vote for it. I think there's a lot of Democrats that look at it and say, if Bitcoin is digital gold and we have $600 billion of gold on reserve at our bank, in the Federal Reserve Bank, you're telling me we couldn't put 75 to $100 billion of Bitcoin on reserve?